When it comes to China, the findings of the report of the UN Committee on the Elimination of Racial Discrimination and several other reports regarding human rights violations against Uyghurs and other Muslim communities in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region are cause of concern. While recognizing China's right to combat terrorism, we think that a distinction should be made between terrorists and innocent people. And I have to underline that we support one China policy. Therefore, we encourage China and Chinese authorities and expect that universal human rights, including freedom of religion, are respected and protection of the cultural identities of Uyghurs and other Muslims is ensured.